Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, performing such a reset will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I'm going to quickly lock the device so you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So, first thing we want to do is turn off our device, and you can hold the power button, select power off. And when the device turns off, you then want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. I'm going to give it a couple more seconds just to be certain that it's off. I'm going to start holding both of those buttons, and after about like 5 to maybe 10 seconds, you want to let go of the power button. So I just let go of the power button. I am still holding volume up. And you can see that the device boots up. Continue holding volume up. And when you see the Android with no command, you want to let go of the volume up button, and now you're gonna hold the power button, press volume up once, and then you're gonna release the power button as well. And this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, using volume buttons, either volume up or down to navigate up or down, you want to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with the power button, select factory data reset. It's going to give you a message that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now is selected by default, so press power button once more to accept that option. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is resetting the device still in the background, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot up. This is completely normal. Now, once the process is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. You can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.